What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Ariel. If you guys don't already know, I do men's luxury fashion lifestyle content. So if you're new to the channel, welcome again. Hit the subscribe button, drop me some comments after the video, letting me know what you guys thought. And let's jump into the topic of the day. A lot of you guys have asked me previously in old vlogs for me to basically run down through some of the products that I use for my face, how I clean my face, and just like other products that I use maybe for my hair and stuff like that. Today we're gonna jump into maybe like a little tutorial of how I clean my skin and all that stuff, and also my hair products that I briefly showed you in the last vlog. So I have my assistant helping me out today on the sideline because some of this stuff is actually hers. I'm always about the fashion stuff, but when it comes to stuff like this, Amber always helps me out. But these are some of the products that I use to kind of keep my skin looking as lavish as it does, right? Everybody always says I have nice skin. I think the key component that I don't actually have with me is water, just always staying hydrated, at least a gallon a day for me. But then other products that you guys can purchase and actually use, I'm gonna show you and run down, show you guys like how I actually apply it to my skin. So the first item that I actually use while I'm in the shower to clean my face would be a face wash. This one happens to be from Farmacy. It's called Whipped Greens, that's this one. So I use some of this and I apply it to this Foreo little like scrubber. You hit the button after you apply some of the face wash onto this. So I'm gonna do that for you guys now. Just assume that I was in the shower already and my face was wet. So that technically this gets a little bit wet. And you're gonna put some of the face wash on. Put it on right there so you guys can see. I put just a little squeeze like that. Turn it on. We're gonna pretend I was in the shower, wet face. And you're just gonna do like circular motion like that. Go all over all the like spots where normally you probably like sweat a lot, like sometimes when I'm working out and I have a baseball cap on. I like to just kind of make sure I hit these points where I would sweat a lot. Down here on my chin, always like just getting like little blackheads, it's normal. We'll say that that's good. I'd say doing this for like a minute or two. I know it's probably like the funniest vlog ever done, right? It's hilarious, but us as guys, we gotta stay clean too. Y'all want that popping skin, right? You don't want going out looking all crusty and shit. I look great. All right. So you're gonna turn that off. Clearly you're gonna be in the shower, rinse it off. Maybe have a little cloth. I got like a little thing here. I'm just gonna dry it off. Set it on the side. When you rinse your face off, or if you're in the shower, just kind of like take everything off, but don't be like super rough to your skin. So assuming you got out of the shower already, or just wanted to wash your face, just kind of like pat dry your face like this. You don't want to be too rough with it. Everything nice. Next product that you would obviously use after you clean your face already is a toner. Also it's from Farmacy. This one's called Deep Sweep. Amber put me onto this. This is all pretty much Amber stuff. Listen, if it works for the chicks, it's gonna work even better for you. Just flow with it, just go with it. So I just put a couple drops on that. Right? Technically, you don't have to use this. We're just like flowing with it right now. Normally, I'd have like the round cotton like swab things. Just gonna lightly go through your whole face. Don't be too rough. All the spots where normally you would have like pimples or feel like you get a little bit of a buildup, just kind of go over it. Again, I go over here mainly because this is where I break out when I do. So now let this dry for a little bit, give it like 10-20 seconds to just air off. Next thing we're gonna use, because you have to hydrate your skin now that it's nice and dry, we're gonna use this Hyaluronic Serum right here. Some Glow recipe, I'm gonna hold it here. All this stuff I'm gonna link for you guys, so it's easier for you guys to find. And this might be a little cringe right now because it's like a pink bottle. Disregard that it's pink, disregard that it's girly. It's gonna do what your skin needs, all right? You gotta hydrate your skin. I'm gonna put like that, just like 2 little pumps. And again, just kind of like go over your skin, get all the spots. Hydrate that bad boy, that's it. You crack up, go ahead, laugh, it's fine.
No, this is what you do.
This might be the best, funny, real video ever. But that's it, you hydrate your skin like that. Right, now we're gonna let that breathe for a minute. We're gonna give that a couple more seconds to just kind of like dry up. Now I have told you guys about this in a previous vlog. This is my favorite lip balm chapstick. I actually found this in Sephora one time. I'm always used to like the normal Blistex or Carmax, and those to me dry my lips out. I went into Sephora one time and I was just looking for something that's non-scented and all that, that's gonna keep my lips from like cracking and just drying out. Ultra Repair Lip Therapy is my favorite one. Lasts for a bunch of hours. You don't always have to reapply it. So far, 2 years that I've been using this one. Amber put me onto this one. It's Laneige. I'm gonna show you guys like this. If your lips are really, really dry at night, you apply this. Sometimes if it's morning time and I got crusty lips, I'm throwing this on to put some of it on for you guys now. Now this is a little bit glossier, but you need to repair your lips. If you need your lips to be hydrated, just put a little bit on your finger. Make sure your fingers are clean, obviously. Just apply it. Make sure it's evenly distributed on your lips. Hopefully you don't get crusty lips anymore. So let's say this was morning time, you took a shower, you cleaned your face, you did your whole routine. To protect your skin from the sun, you want your skin to stay looking as good as it can long term. You'd apply some sunscreen. This one happens to be from Roche-Posay. If you guys got girlfriends, ask the ladies, they'll put you onto the good stuff. But this is what you would apply after you clean your face, hydrate or whatever. Then put another little dab. Show you guys how much I put. Put a little scoop like that. That even might have been a little too much. And you're gonna rub it between your fingers and then dot it on your face so you don't have like a bunch of splotches all over your face. And then you're just gonna rub it in. The vlogs you guys saw, I had like lotion on my face. Make sure you really rub it in so you're not walking around looking like a ghost. 2 other products that I have that I use prior to my shower. This is a dry brush. This helps kind of break down the toxins in your body. I've been using it every time, you know, right before I take a shower. Pretty much just rub it in circular motions and also brush up. They say that you should brush like pretty much towards your heart. So if you're brushing up on your chest, anywhere towards your heart, and then just anywhere up. This one is from C.S.M, Complete Skin Makeover. I will also link this guy in the description box as well as every other product so it's easier for you guys to find it. And these are fairly inexpensive and just good for you. Last and final product that I showed you guys in the last vlog. This is actually my Bevel hair clippers. I've gone through walls, pretty much a bunch of different walls, clippers, and other like little ones that I picked up over the years. But if you guys do cut your own hair, you guys can see already that my hair is pretty short, so I don't really need the trimmer right now. The Bevel is the newest one that I picked up and it's amazing. I've never been able to cut my hair so fast in my life before, and it also cuts your hair super, super short. One of the best hair trimmers that I've ever had. I'm gonna turn it on for you guys so you guys can hear how like powerful it is. Just the details of it, it's like just aesthetically just so like pleasing to look at. Super sick. Highly recommend the Bevel so you guys can see like my hair is super short, so maybe in like another day or 2 I'll cut it. This thing cuts it so low and just like super, super clean at such a fast speed, so definitely recommend the Bevel. It's just an amazing hair clipper. That is pretty much gonna wrap up all the products that I use when I'm in the shower for my skin and just for cutting my hair and keeping my skin nice. As always, I hope you guys enjoyed the vlog. If you guys are new to the channel, welcome again. My name is Ariel. I do men's luxury, fashion, and lifestyle content. So if you're new, definitely hit that subscribe button, hit the thumbs up, hit the notification bell to stay up to date with all my content. And I will see all of you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching. See you guys next time.